What's up YouTube? This is my collection 7000. This is another collection video. This is my fire, police, and bus collection so far. I'll pan out real quick. So yeah, I'll show you my buses first. Got some cool buses. Old school Greyhound Hot Wheels. Got a Tomica, American Airlines, some Double Dutch buses. Got this one from Disneyland when I went 1 year. Very old Tomica school bus. I got a taxi. Well, it's like a bus for two. A small bus, some larger diecast bus. Buddy L. Got this bus reminds me of Dumb and Dumber. Got this Honda one, the LA Marathon. A bigger Buddy L bus. Got this Greyhound. This is one of them that I had as a kid. Still in pretty good condition. Got the Fisher Price Little People's bus. Got that at a thrift store, I think. Then got some Matchbox buses. Got the Shadow. Got this Lesney fire engine. Pretty cool. Got this one. Then I got this one, Emergency. This was one of my favorite TV shows when I was growing up as a kid, because I was into firefighting and all the fire trucks and stuff. So yeah, this is like one of my favorite Hot Wheels. This Rescue Ranger. The Pierce fire engine. My favorite fire engine of all time is the Fire Eater. So if anybody has extras or the older ones and stuff, all the different colors, just hit me up. We can do a trade or something. Got a short card one. Then I got this one. I had this from when I was a kid too. It's kind of yellowing, still in good condition, but I don't have the accessories and stuff. Still got the figures though. But yeah, this was my favorite too growing up. Got these. Got some Matchbox ones. Some generic ones. This ambulance, cool Matchbox one. And these two were my favorite ambulance when I was growing up. They look a little weird, but they're pretty cool. Got some helicopters. Then I got this one, Tonka. Then my favorites, the Rescue Ranger and the Fire Eater, loose. So yeah, just hit me up if you got any extra Rescue Rangers or Fire Eaters. I'll do a trade it to you. You can help my collection grow. I'll help yours grow too. I want to get all the different versions of the Fire Eaters and Rescue Rangers. This one I had as a kid. It's well played with. Yeah, got some cool Fire Eaters. Need to get more though. So yeah, I'll be buying more Fire Eaters and Rescue Rangers and Highway Haulers and stuff. Then I got this one from the garage sale last week. It's pretty mint. Police car. Got this one. These two were in a diorama with my modifiers, my Honda modifiers. They were like street racing and stuff, and these are chasing them. Got a Tootsie toy. Got a Matchbox one. Got a Space Cop. Pretty cool one from back in the day. Got some crack ups. Got this Hummer. I love this Hummer. That police version. Got this one too, pretty mint. Got another crack up. Some other Hot Wheel police cars, the recent ones. Some generic ones. But yeah, so this is my police, fire, and bus collection so far. I think I have a couple more, but it's in some other bins and stuff. And I know I got a Johnny Lightning Honolulu police car, mint on card, and some other ones. So yeah, hit me up if you got any Fire Eaters, Rescue Rangers, or whatever. We'll do a trade and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, commenting, and talk to you later. Aloha.